You can also install Deno completions. Deno CLI actually has the power to generate these completions. For example, if we go to Deno --help, as you can see, there are links to docs, modules. And to start a REPL, REPL is a read evaluate print loop. You can just type Deno and press enter and you'll be in that REPL. And then to run a script, you need to use Deno run and then link or a path to a file or actually a URL. It actually runs a URL, a module from a URL as well. Or you can just evaluate or whatnot. And there are a bunch of other options. Like for example, it has its own bundler. You can bundle that module into a single file. If you are creating a program, you can kind of bundle it with its dependencies into a single ES module. It can cache your dependencies. It can generate your shell completions just like that. For example, to generate shell completions for batch, you can type Deno completions batch and put it here and kind of source it from there. If you go to the manual and then set up your environment, you'll probably get all of this information from here, using the allow environment flag and the shell auto completions and whatnot. You can generate documentation for your module. You can evaluate a script. You can definitely format your source files, generate help for, the one help we are here or for a particular subcommand. You can show the info about cache and related source files. Install a script as an executable. This is how you kind of create CLIs. You kind of create a CLI and install it as a script. And then there's read, evaluate, print loop. You can run a program, a file name, or a URL of the module. Both of these work. This is something completely new. You can run tests, print, runtime TypeScript declarations, and just use Deno upgrade to upgrade Deno executable to a given version, or just write Deno upgrade and it will upgrade itself to the latest one. And there are a couple of environment variables that are kind of available here.